Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar and I coach and mentor founders of software companies to build scale in their business fast. In this video, I'm going to share with you the books I recommend as reading, especially for entrepreneurs. As a business coach, I do a lot of reading myself and make it a point to refer the really good ones to my clients all the time. Reading books is extremely enriching, and if you're a book reading buff too, then this video is for you. You don't have to go through all the books, but what I would recommend is that you get the basic idea of each one from what I'm going to share with you today, so that you can pick and choose the one that you feel have potential to create an immediate impact for you in your business, and then you can come back and go through the remaining books, because of course each book offers a unique and valuable perspective. So let's get started. The first book today I'd like to discuss is Traction by Gabriel Weinberg and Justin Mars. This is a great book for people who are starting a new business or starting a new product or launching a new service or anything like that, because the number one reason why new ventures like these often fail is because they aren't able to attract enough customers. This book is all about making sure you have a very clear strategy for attracting customers. It recommends that you split your time 50-50 between building your product or your service and your brand, and on the other hand, making sure that you're spending enough time communicating with early potential customers to make sure you're on the right track and making sure that you have a game plan for attracting customers when you eventually launch your product or service. 19 different marketing channels that you can use to attract customers. But perhaps in my view, the most valuable thing in this book is the bullseye framework. This is a very simple 4-step process for selecting and executing on the best marketing strategy for your particular business. There are many channels that you could use, but there may be one channel that may be far more effective than 2, 3, and 4 combined. So when you use the framework, you're able to hit bullseye. So if you're at all interested in making sure that you have enough customers, maybe you're launching a new product or a new service or something like that, then I highly recommend this book to you. The second book on my list is The Startup J-Curve by Howard Love. It's no secret that many startups fail. But what is less understood is that the path to success often involves making dramatic changes to the original startup idea. Unfortunately, many entrepreneurs are not prepared for this possibility. As a result, they can end up feeling lost or even consider giving up when facing predictable setbacks. The Startup J-Curve can help you put common challenges into context. It explains how the startup journey unfolds in a predictable 6-step pattern, and by understanding how each of these stages in the pattern operates, you increase your odds for success instead of feeling lost when you face inevitable setbacks. You'll have a clear sense of how to move your business idea forward. Next up is the book called The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Many startup founders make the mistake of focusing their early time and energy on building a predefined product or service, and then after months of hard work, they're often surprised to find out that the final result fails to attract customers. People don't want to buy it, and the only way to save the startup at that point is to make expensive changes. The Lean Startup can help you figure out the right thing to build, the product that people want and are willing to pay for as quickly as possible. The book stresses on identifying the key assumptions so that you can validate those assumptions as quickly and as inexpensively as possible. Done right, this approach can help you turn your idea into a really long-term sustainable business faster and with less waste along the way. The next book is They Ask, You Answer by Marcus Sheldon. Advertising can be a great way to attract new customers. However, many businesses make the mistake of becoming overly reliant on third-party ad platforms that can change their policies and prices at any time. So as your business, it's wise to invest in alternative marketing channels that provide greater freedom and control. They Ask, You Answer, the book, is about how to use content marketing to attract loyal customers to your business. It explains how to create articles, videos, podcasts, and other content to build trust and authority in your market. When done right, this approach results in a reliable and predictable source of leads for your business on an ongoing basis. I hope you find this useful. If you have any book recommendations too, please put them in the comments here and I'd love to read each one of them. If you've liked this video, do like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos sharing tips on scaling. Thank you for watching.